This is the one of the model house we have demonstrating to other families as well. And let's say this one is they have got tin roof, and all these are bamboos. And this can really quite good. So this can really resist, appropriate for the for these even for rainy season. So and this is really as good temporary low-cost housing, and what we have seen, and this is one of the best ways to build more houses around. So this is how they are adjusting inside, cooking there. भाइ कति क्लास पढ्छ? 7 मा? अनि अहिले स्कुल जाँदैन?
जाँदैन.
So doesn't go to school. अनि दिउँसो के गर्छ त? गोठालो जाने. So he goes to the to see cattle, हैन?